Glad to have you with us for Denver 7 News at 10 this Friday night. I'm Shannon Ogden. Deteriorating trust in the state crime lab has led Boulder County now to look for help elsewhere. The Boulder County Sheriff's Office says it will no longer rely on the CBI lab for DNA testing because of the lengthy backlog for rape kits and concerns about accuracy. Now, those concerns stem from allegations that former analyst Missy Woods mishandled data in hundreds of cases. Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio tells us what the Sheriff's Office will do instead and how much more it's going to cost taxpayers.
When it comes to forensic testing, one Colorado Sheriff's Office is calling it quits with the state's lab. CBI turning over a copy of this letter from the Boulder County Sheriff, informing CBI's director of a new agreement with the Jefferson County Regional Crime Laboratory. In it, the sheriff writing he is hopeful CBI will be able to overcome the recent challenges with DNA analysis. Although telling the state lab some services like fire debris analysis, explosives, and toxicology will still be done there. Boulder County District Attorney Michael Doherty supports the move. How would you describe the relationship now with CBI?
Well, certainly the allegations against the DNA analyst Missy Woods are incredibly concerning. Also, there's the significant backlog on the testing of sex assault kits and the impact that has on victims and our ability to do justice.
Right now, the state's rape kit backlog exceeds 500 days. He says Jeffco's regional lab promises to provide DNA results in fewer than 100 days.
Think about asking the government for an answer on something, anything, and the government telling you it'll take 530 days for us to get back to you. Now think about it as though you're a sex assault victim and you're waiting for DNA results that are going to determine whether a prosecutor's office has enough to charge someone with a sex assault or not, or be able to go forward to trial or not. That delay is inexcusable.
However, the switch comes at an additional cost for taxpayers. Boulder County commissioners recently approving a $100,000 annual contract.
For other agencies, smaller agencies, it's cost prohibitive.
Doherty hopes the state lab will improve with help from state lawmakers, currently working on legislation to address the recent issues. In response to concerns about turnaround times, CBI says it plans to contract additional outside labs to eliminate the sex assault kit backlog and cut the turnaround times in half by this time next year. But for now, the DA expects more law enforcement agencies to follow in Boulder's footsteps.
We need to make sure this problem is fixed for public safety, for victims, but also for the accused, to make sure we're getting the right results in our criminal cases.
In Boulder County, Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.